Good evening, Truman families, and welcome to our annual open house. My name is Mr. Gessling. I'm the principal here at Truman, and I am joined by my wonderful assistant principal, Sarah Simpkins, our wonderful dean of students, Ms. Sonia Chapowski, and our wonderful dual language coordinator, Ms. Linda Varela.
Buenas tardes y bienvenidos aquí a nuestra gran apertura de Truman. Con ustedes nuestro director Gessling, nuestra asistente la señora Simpkins, nuestra decana la señora Chapowski y su servidora Linda Varela.
So thank you all for being here tonight. We really hope that you enjoyed going through your student schedule and that you can have some pizza in the cafeteria, please. We've got a lot of things going on tonight, and so make sure that you sign in and that you meet all of your students' teachers. Again, there's pizza that's available in the cafeteria, and we hope you enjoy your time here tonight, and thank you for joining us.
Les agradecemos mucho que estén aquí. Esperemos que disfruten el poder pasar a todos los salones de clase de sus hijos para que conozcan a cada uno de sus maestros. También les invitamos a que pasen a la cafetería a comer pizza y también les pedimos que no olviden firmar en las hojas de título 1. Bienvenidos.
Once again, thank you for joining us tonight, and welcome to Truman for all of our new families and our 6th graders, and we hope you enjoy your evening.
Nuevamente bienvenidos a todos y que disfruten esta tarde.